Welcome to Amrod Tech. This is your channel for your tech solutions. We're going to be uploading videos more frequently as time passes by, of course, and as our channel grows more. So today we actually have something we've been waiting for quite some time. So we've been wanting to retire our old Logitech 5.0 speaker system, and guess what? Today's that day. So today we have the new gaming speaker center, which is the Genius sw-g5.1 3500, guys. This is a 5.1 speaker system. This is the best of the best. You can get this product on Amazon for $149 plus shipping costs. You may actually be able to find it on a sale, but that's actually its regular price on Amazon. So let's go ahead and get right to it, right? So just to warn you, this has been previously opened because my wife actually received the package and she got anxious and she went ahead and actually opened it. So all right, so let's see what we have inside. Oh, by the way, why don't we go ahead and read a little bit about what it actually comes with. So it should have in the package 5 speakers, 1 subwoofer, 1 remote controller, which is my favorite option on there. It has an RCA 3.5 millimeter audio jack and 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm. Also a multi-language user guide or user manual, however you want to call it. All right, so let's take a look. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside the box. All right, so first, let's go ahead and take this big bad boy out. All right. So, pretty nice. So what do we have here, guys? We have the main subwoofer. It actually has the bass up and down button. It has the volume up and down button. It has the auxiliary 5.1 channel button, as well as the standby button. It has a little LED light and I think those are exits. One for your 3.5 mm headset, and the other one for a line in. Actually, that's an entrance and an exit. It's pretty neat, actually. It's pretty cool. I've never seen that before on a speaker system. All right, so you have your regular DC outlet, and then you have the on and off button. It has a little power LED here, a little LED light. These are all exits for the speaker. They're color coded. We got 2 green ones, which are the front. We have the rear one, which is 2 white ones, and then an additional one, which I imagine is the center one, which is black. We have the inputs. We have the regular auxiliary input, which is pretty neat, and then we have the 5.1 channel inputs. This is actually where you put the 3 cables with a little box. It's a little converter device. That way you can have 5.1 audio quality. All right. So here we actually have the air vent for the speaker. So let's go ahead and put this aside. Pretty nice. All right. So like I told you guys, this has been previously open. My wife got a little excited and started taking everything apart. So we're just gonna go over this really quickly. So what do we have here? We have 1 speaker, which is actually very nicely built. I'm really impressed. Really shiny in the front and rather, dull in the back, but actually pretty nice, solid quality. Looks like this is the center one. It's a short one and it's a black one. Looks like this is the center one. Let's see what else we have. All right, so this is a green one. Same quality. This short cable as well. Looks like these are actually the front. Yeah, these are actually the front ones. Oh, it actually says it right on it. Front speaker left, front speaker right. This one should say center. We'll check that after. All right. So let's see. And like I mentioned, they're color coded. Make it easy. Alright, so we have the user guide, multi-language user guide for your preference, you know, your language preference. You know, some people are bilingual, like myself. I speak Spanish, English as well. Well, I try to speak English, you know. English is my second language, but most people say I do pretty good with it. Alright, so what do we have here? Okay, this one, as you can see, is a little longer. This, the rear one, must be the rear one. Yep, rear speaker right. It's a little longer cable. As you see, the color is different. It's like a violet. You know, I'm really happy with the quality build of this speaker system. And actually, you know, it brings its, you know, the original Genius colors, and it has the Genius GX Gaming branding, I mean, imprinted on it, which is pretty nice. You know, actually, I'm really happy with these. Just, I haven't actually heard them yet, and just by taking a look at what I'm seeing inside the box, I'm already excited. All right, ooh, this is actually the reason why I'm most excited about this speaker system, the remote controller. This remote controller actually allows you to turn up and down the volume as well as the bass. You can mute the speaker sound. You can select the Auxilary 5.1 channel and standby as well. So this is what I was most excited about. You know, you don't normally see this in most speaker system, especially a speaker system of this quality that doesn't cost you that much. You can actually buy this at Amazon for about $149 plus shipping. It's a great buy, and it has really good reviews. All right, so let me see. You open it up here. It comes with a lithium cell battery, which is 3 volts. You can see here. Let me show you a little better. All right. Very good. So what else we have here? Okay, we have a bunch of cables here. All right, what's all this? Oh, okay, yeah, these are actually really hard to find. You see the little converter box I told you about? Okay, this converter box actually where all 3 of these cables connect to, and then the other end of them will connect to the subwoofer box. And then this ones will connect to that little box I told you about. And then, which you can actually buy those at your local electronics store or your local Walmart or Radio Shack. Well, not Radio Shack, but local Walmart or Best Buy. Or even Amazon, you can buy it at Amazon. They're not that expensive. They'll probably be a couple of dollars. Then you connect these other 2 plugs on the other end of the box, and you'll be able to connect this 3.5 audio jack to any device. Let's say a laptop, your iPod, iPhone, or your Android phone, or whatever you want to connect it to. All right. That's gonna be your audio source. That is. All right. Very good. So that's pretty much it. That's everything that comes in the box. So you guys have it here. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it for this video. You've seen it. It's actually pretty nice, you know, quality built speaker system. If you want to buy this, you can buy it on Amazon for roughly about $149, $159. I'm not 100% sure. I don't remember at this point. And you will get quality built and quality sound speakers, plus shipping, of course. And we want to thank you for choosing Emrod Tech. You know, thank you for watching the channel, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Okay? Subscribe. Please subscribe.